I'm doing my first review on a product and I'm so excited. Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm excited to be participating in a Sunday Funday challenge hosted by Janny and Dyanne of Deco Easy and Yvonne of Ginger Chick Rehab. These ladies are so wonderful and I adore them both. They are very talented and I will have their channels listed in the description box down below as well as the playlist. You will not be disappointed. Now Sunday Funday is a day once a month that they host that we get to do whatever we want to do. We can do crafts, we can do decor, we can do hauls, and today I am going to do an unboxing. Victoriasmoon reached out to me to review their product. They have diamond painting kits and paint by numbers, and I was excited to give this a shot. This is my first time reviewing, and they want me to do an unboxing, and then I will go do another one showing you as I go along putting this thing together. So I'm excited to see what I got. I will have the link to Victoriasmoon in the description box down below, as well as a 10% discount. Their prices are very reasonable. I really had a tough time picking out what I wanted to do because they have some beautiful things. So let's see what we've got. Now it came in a black wrapper. I cut it off, but this is what the box looks like. Isn't that pretty? I think that's your tool to put the diamonds on. Oh, that's pretty. Too bad they're not real diamonds. There we go. I'm sorry. The sun decided to come through. I won't complain about that. Wow, here's all your little looks like there's a little, let me open this up and see what I've got. You've got all your little diamonds. Oh wow, they've got them numbered in each in little different baggies. I'm excited. Separate, it looks like little tools. And they have just all kinds of different little gems, tiny gems, and I am dropping everything all over the place. Wow. Got this canvas. And it looks like it's got a key. It's got a, ooh. So I will not take this completely off. It reminds me of cross stitch. I used to cross stitch a lot. It's been a while since I've done it. And they've got this little key. And that's all they've got. So I hope I figure this out. But I think I will. It's not that hard. Hopefully it won't be too hard since I've cross stitched. Just count and add. And at least it's color coded. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I will come back and show you what this looks like when I get finished. So until next time, bye y'all.